This is the Geemarc Wake N Shake, the ideal alarm clock for the hard of hearing or the visually impaired. This gadget will never let you oversleep again. The Wake N Shake is powered by the mains. However, you can insert a battery as a backup in case of a power failure. Settings allow you to be woken by an audible alarm. Both the volume and tone are adjustable, or by a bright flashing strobe light, or by a shaking pad under your pillow, or by a mixture of these alarm methods. You can connect the clock to the telephone so that it vibrates to alert you to the phone ringing. It has a great display with very large red numbers. No more problems with bleary eyes in the mornings. There is a 9-minute snooze, just to give you a bit longer before you're waken and shaken again. The Geemarc Wake N Shake. It won't let you sleep through the alarm clock again. For any further questions, please contact us at sales@geemarc.com or on our expert helpline on 01707 384 438. The Wake N Shake is on display at over 250 professional sales points around the country. Contact us to find the nearest one to your home. Geemarc Clear Sound. Hear the difference.